Hi everyone, welcome back to our Koso kitchen. My name is Eriko. I'm a holistic nutritionist. Today we are bringing some tropical flair to your table with this refreshing pineapple salsa. Not only is it bursting with flavor, but it's also loaded with nutrients. Pineapple isn't just a delicious tropical fruit, it's also offers numerous health benefits. Here's an explanation of the health benefit of pineapple. Pineapple is not only low in calories, but also packed with essential nutrients. Pineapples are rich in antioxidants that help protect our body against oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic inflammation and various diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Pineapple contains a group of digestive enzymes called bromelain, which can aid in the digestion of protein. Bromelain breaks down protein molecules, making it easier for our body to absorb them. This digestive enzyme may be especially beneficial for those who struggle with digesting meat. It's also anti-inflammatory. Vitamin C in pineapple is involved in regulating infections and promoting wound healing. It is also known as a powerful antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals. Collagen relies on vitamin C for its synthesis. Additionally, vitamin C contributes to the production of several hormones and neurotransmitters essential for brain and nerve function. Now let's dive into this simple and delicious recipe. Here's what you need: 2 cups of diced fresh pineapple, 1 tablespoon of orange Koso or 2 teaspoons of orange Koso lower sugar, 1/4 cup of diced red onion. You can use white onion if you don't have red onion. Half jalapeno, diced, juice, and zest of lime. Half cup of fresh cilantro, 1 clove of minced garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. All you need to do is prepare all the ingredients and combine them in a medium-sized bowl. The pineapple followed by a written red onion, spicy jalapeno, lime juice and zest, fragrant cilantro, minced garlic, and of course our gut-friendly orange Koso. Mix all the ingredients together until well combined. The sweetness of the pineapple, the kick from the jalapeno, and the freshness of the cilantro, it's a flavor explosion in every bite. And don't forget about the health benefits, especially for your gut. You can enjoy this pineapple salsa with your favorite tortilla chips on top of grilled chicken or fish. Let your taste bud take a trip to the tropical island. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.